Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Friday, October 25th, running the Ripper X AI Pro 3 contracts. I jumped in, like I've been waiting a little bit. First trade, I had the right idea, but I got stopped out. Second trade, got a small winner. And then after that, I should have just trusted the automation, and I didn't. So I thought this was pretty much the high, the peak that it was going to get to for the morning before a reversal. And boy, was I wrong. I could have had a third trade right here, and then a fourth one that was a long one. So needless to say, I could have been done early on. And then after that, I would I just made things more difficult than it needed to be. Right here, I got caught up in consolidation, and then I started getting myself in the hole. So instead of being, a little bit ahead, I could have been done. Like right here. Here's another trade that I missed. Again, thinking that the market was consolidating before making a big drop. So, uh, lesson learned. I think I should have just let things go and let the automation do its thing, and it would have gotten me out, and I would have been done. Like literally, I would have been in this trade right now, and I probably would have already been done. I would have hit my daily profit. But as you can see, my P&L is negative, almost $600 negative. So I was about done. Like literally one more trade, and I was going to be done for the day. So after that, I just kind of followed my typical rules. If there was a trend trade, I took it. Then I took momentum trades, and then I took a nice trade at the very end that you'll see. It was making another move to the top, and then once my kill switch activated, I went ahead and moved my stop all the way. So I ended up with a $900 profit for the morning. Uh, once you take away commissions, it was probably more like a 700 or so dollar day, which is still pretty good considering I was in the hole, almost 600. So I just want to, you know, I just want it to be done and get my profit for the week. It was a good week with the Ripper XAI Pro. Out of the 5 days, I had one losing day, so that was actually real good. And I rotate accounts. I have Apex Rhythmic accounts, and I also have Rhythmic Apex accounts. So I have Rhythmic and trade of it through Apex, and then I trade them with the spot. So I tend to alternate. And that's kind of how I use my automation. But that's it, folks. Not a whole lot to say. I'm gonna go ahead and put some music to this video so you can watch the rest of it and watch the rest of the trades unfold. Trading took me about 33 minutes. I've compressed the video down to about 5 minutes. And again, I made this way harder than it needed to be. And I'm kicking myself for that because I would have hit my a much more I would have had a much more profitable morning. I probably would have exceeded goal, but instead I second guessed myself, missed just a couple really nice trades that would have just nailed it, and I would have been done. But uh, even then, I would get close. I would get close to like 800, and then I would get profit back. So once you get to a comfortable profit, just go ahead and take your profit. If you're not having a good morning, things are challenging, leave the ego on the side and just take your profit and be done, and then be ready to trade the next day. So with that, folks, I hope you learned from my mistakes. I'm certainly still learning because sometimes we have this mentality that we're invincible, or maybe we have a gambling mentality that the next trade's going to get it all back, and sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. So we need to practice some discipline, proper risk management, and take your profit when you can. So I am done. I got my 900 PNL for the morning, and I am done. So with that, folks, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you next week. Take care. Bye.